factory workers weigh out the ingredients that make up this company's secret blend of spices. Next, they mix this spice blend with white vinegar, cider vinegar and salt. Then they add liquid natural flavors. They pour this mixture into a large tank of room temperature water, producing what they call a slurry. The raw eggs, meanwhile, have been transferred into a large chilled holding tank. So now there are 3 holding tanks at the ready: a slurry tank, an egg tank and an oil tank. A computerized proportioning system extracts the required amount from each tank and sends it to a mixing vessel. A couple of minutes of mixing merges the eggs, oil and slurry into tangy, creamy mayonnaise. The factory draws samples periodically and sends them to its quality control department for analysis. The lab technicians there evaluate several criteria, such as colour, consistency and of course flavour. In this test, they mix the mayonnaise with a pH level indicator and deionized water to check the acidity level. Once the mayonnaise passes quality control inspection, this rotary filler dispenses it into recyclable polyethylene jars. It fills each jar in just a quarter of a second. The next machine twists on a plastic cap. Inside the cap is a foil seal. This machine uses induction heat to fuse the seal to the rim of the jar, without heating the mayonnaise in the process. The seal preserves freshness and indicates the jar wasn't tampered with after leaving the factory. The labelling machine glues on one end of a label, spins the jar to wrap the label around, then glues down the other end.